Okay, class. So today we'll be talking about Chapter 2, the Healthy Me Journey. Now, this chapter goes over mostly wellness and like diet. You can set. We're gonna go over setting goals for yourself to so you can maintain some healthy habits, eating and in your diet, and also what kind of goals those are, what they're known as. Okay. All right. Here we go. So first thing we're gonna talk about is your wellness guidelines. Now, these are some for your body to be at your very best, both physically and mentally. One very important thing to minimize is drinking sugary beverages. We're going to get into the diet stuff here now. Increased frequency of breakfast consumption. This is big because a lot of times people don't eat breakfast as regular as they should, and this will really help you kickstart your day. You'll have fuel in you. Your brain will be sharp. Increased fruit and vegetable consumption. This is huge because me myself, I don't consume enough vegetables and fruits. So if you consume those, you're gonna have more nutrients in you, better for you. Decrease fast food consumption. We all know how we feel after we eat that Big Mac or that Whopper. Don't feel very good, and it's also terrible for you with all the grease and fat, also from the French fries. Not doing you many favors. Also, another thing you do is increase frequency of physical activity, so you can be nice and strong like that guy up there. You want to be in your best shape. So if you're more active more frequently, you're going to be in better shape than just a couch potato who lays around all day. Decrease sedentary behavior, like I just said. Don't be a couch potato. Don't be sedentary. Don't be sitting somewhere just all day. Increase conflict resolution skills. This is also big because if let's say there's a conflict and um, you need to know how to get out of that, and you need to know how to solve that problem if there is a conflict. And then the last one, this is very important, decrease negative perception of challenges. If a challenge comes your way, don't say why me, say what can I do to get around it and what can I do to get better, improve from it. So the healthy me snapshot. So what ways can we stay healthy? So I'm going to go here with my magic pen and just write one. Eat right. That's not what I wanted to write. I'll scroll that out. Eat right. Now I'll take a few volunteers to come up to the board and we can write a few more down. Okay, so here, little activity. Some of them are already filled in, but you can limit the amount of unhealthy foods you consume every day and replace them with healthy ones. So, for example, a few of these have already been done. So the cherries, we're going to put those as healthy food down here that you can do. And the French fries are going to go over here in the unhealthy food. Just to give you an idea of what is healthy and what's not. Now we're just going to do a short little quiz here. There's the answers. What is a vegetable? A carrot. What does bread mostly contain? Both A and C, carbs and grains. Eating right can have negative health effects. That is false. And then if you're having trouble, I'm going to show a video here in just a second. How can someone make sure they're always eating healthy? Just click here. We'll watch this video.
How to eat better. Number one, make changes gradually. Many people want changes to happen fast, so they dive in head first, eat nothing but healthy foods, and they can keep this up for a while. But as time goes on, willpower will eventually decline, inevitably leading them back to where they started. You have to give yourself ample time. This way you can slowly and successfully make the transition. Number two, understand serving sizes. Overeating is a major issue for many people. Having an understanding of what a serving size actually is will keep you from over-consuming food, which can help against weight gain. Number 3, when you start out, make sure you get 1 serving of fruit and 1 serving of veggies a day. The idea is to get your brain to start thinking about fruits and veggies on a daily basis. As time goes on, increase the servings. Number 4, have some protein with all meals. Protein has many important functions in the body, and it also takes longer to digest, making you feel fuller. You can even have high protein snacks, such as nuts or seeds, to curb your hunger throughout the day. Number 5, think before you eat. Take a minute before you decide what to eat and evaluate. Does this meal I'm about to eat have some fruit, veggies, and protein? Are the portion sizes not too large? And am I actually going to enjoy this meal, or just force it down? You have to eat food you actually like the taste of. Number 6, eat junk food. Yes, you heard me, eat junk food. Just do it in moderation and slowly decrease the amount of junk food you're eating over time. It's almost impossible to completely eliminate eating a food that you love, and you shouldn't have to. Number 7, when eating out, share around half the meal. Restaurant portions are gigantic, and most restaurant foods are loaded with unhealthy fats, large amounts of sodium, and large amounts of sugar. By sharing or wrapping up half the meal, you're not overeating, and you're at least limiting the amount of unhealthy food you're putting in your body at one time. Number 8, be prepared when you're eating around others. Many people encourage their unhealthy eating habits on others. Don't let other people push you into unhealthy choices. Number 9, failure is okay. It's okay to fail. If you have a few days or even a week where everything you eat is garbage, it's okay. Don't let that completely derail you from the ultimate goal of eating healthy. Eating healthy is about changing your life and your lifestyle. Change, well, that's really hard to do. It's not of your fault. It's being get back up. Number 10, drink better foods. Cut back on or eliminate sugar and artificially flavored drinks. Choosing water or freshly squeezed juices are a great substitute. And that would be 10 ways on how you can eat better.
Okay, so hopefully that helped you out, gave you an idea. Because now we're going to do a little matching activity here. So, carrots are a vegetable and are what blank food to eat, as well as fruits such as apples, oranges, and bananas. Sugary foods such as cakes, cookies, and foods in high fat like burgers and french fries are blank, and too much of them can cause health problems. Well, if you paid attention to the video, you're going to go with carrots are a vegetable and are healthy because fruits and veggies are very healthy. And then burgers, fries, or junk food, unhealthy. And that's the answer. Oop. Okay, so what are some benefits of a better diet? So now we're going to pull this down, or pull tab. Well, you should be a few things you can think about are a better attitude and also actually less acne. They show that studies show that when people eat less greasy food, stuff with less oil, your skin clears up, your skin's drier, and as a result, less acne. What are some goals you can set for yourself to eat better? One of these we're going to talk about is a SMART goal. This is a goal-setting acronym that stands for S, specific, M, measurable, A, action-oriented, R, realistic, and T, timely. Think about that when you're making your goal. And if you need some help to think of what your serving sizes should be, portions, here's a picture that'll help out. That'll help you gauge what you want to eat here, what you should be thinking about eating. Portion sizes, different type of fruits and vegetables, water is a big one. Okay, so back to the SMART. And now that you've done that and given me your SMART goal, give yourself a round of applause. Okay. So now what did everyone come up with? You're going to get your phones out now and you're going to type in this code up on the screen and you'll submit your answer once you get to hellosmart.com and you will be ready to go. So I'll give you a second to do that. Okay, so now we move on. Now reviewing foods. What is healthy versus what is unhealthy? Well, if you take the magnifying glass, unhealthy, cakes, fries, burger, few examples. Healthy, beans, cherries, and bananas. And now, review. What is a SMART goal? Do you guys remember what a SMART goal is? Well, if not, S, specific, M, measurable, A, action-oriented, R, realistic, and T, timely. Thank you. I hope you guys got as much out of this today as I did. I had a good time. Now, have a good rest of your day.